Hi beauties, today I'm going to be doing a Morphe holiday glam look. I went to the Morphe store. This is my first time going and shopping at the actual store. I went with my daughter. We had mother-daughter day over the weekend. The Morphe store was really cute. I'll put a picture of my daughter. She was really loving the little setup they had. So I picked up the 15S palette as well as the Out and Pout After Hours Nude kit. So this is the packaging of the palette. It looks really, really nice from the outside. Yes. This is the back. And then opened up, this is it here. So these actually have the name of the shadows right there on the palette, which is amazing. Then this is the lip set in Nude. It comes with a lip gloss, a lip liner, and a lipstick, which I probably will use a different liner. I'll try it out, but I think it's a little bit too light for my skin tone. These colors look so good, you guys. I'm gonna swatch them all really quickly. So the three that I just swatched, I'll show you guys on my arm. Look really nice. Shimmers in here. Super pigmented. That's what we need. Look at this one. This one. Oh, this is pretty. So these are the shimmers and they all swatched really nice. Then I'm gonna swatch the matte shades. First three. These are the other four. Wow. Like the pink shade really surprised me at how poppin' it is. Like it's so pigmented. I think I'm going to use it. So let's just start with the pink and then we're going to use Quad Golds with that. I'm going to prime my eyelids with MAC's Select Cover Up Concealer. I want the colors to pop, so I'm going to use a really light base. Otherwise, they don't show up as much, you know. So I'm going to start out with hashtag Besties, which is the pink shade. And I'm just going to pop that right in here. Me and this eyeshadow palette are definitely besties for sure. We love each other already. Like, it's amazing. I love that they created this type of collection for the holidays, because sometimes the holidays, you know, it could be repetitive, it could be pretty boring with the same type of colors, but I like that brands this year are using a lot more color. But I'm seeing a lot more different things this year, so I like that, especially with more pinks and purples, and I like it. It's really cool. I'm gonna use Quad Golds and put that all over my eyelid, which is definitely different, like pink and this color, but I think it's gonna look really cute. I don't want so much fallout, so I'm gonna wet. So I just wet it. So I'm just gonna apply this on and bring this up a little bit to kind of blend into the pink. I like this combo, so I'm going to use a little bit of For the Gram, hashtag For the Gram, and just apply that to the outer part of my eye, like right here. It's a deeper shimmer shade. I'm just going to bring it from here to the front. I'm going to add some of it to the green to create this duochrome effect, almost multi-dimensional. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take some more of Besties. Take away this fallout. So I'm going to add some mascara on. Added lashes and mascara, and I'm going to add a color to the inner part of my eye. I'm going to use Insta Famous and just put this right in here. This is really pretty. For blush, I'm going to use this palette from Karity, and I'm going to take some Slay lightly to my cheek, because it's pretty pigmented. Somehow this side did not get the memo of lightly. So for highlight, I'm going to use those of colors Royal Hotness. I haven't used this in a little while, and by a while I mean like in like a month. So it's a long time. It's a long time for this baby. So onto the lips. I'm going to try the lip pencil for my lips. I do think it's a little bit too light. It's in the shade Honeymoon. Too close to the lipstick shade. I'm going to try this on though. It's not going to do anything for me, so I'm going to use Chestnut from MAC. While I was at the Morphe store, I did kind of figure this lip liner wouldn't work out for me. And I was looking for a dark brown liner, but I didn't see any at Morphe, so I don't know if they just don't have any. But so next I'm going to use the lipstick in the shade Honey. It says it's a matte color. I love that it has a little M on there. Really nice. This color is really nice. It's actually a really nice nude with this liner. It looks really good. Like, I like it. And the gloss is in the shade, this color, Freebird. I think this is the first time I've ever used Morphe lip stuff. I do like the gloss as well. The gloss also looks really nice. So this is the entire look with the palette and lip products. I definitely love the palette. I think it's really nice for the holiday season. And these 3 products were really nice. The lip liner felt nice, but the color just wasn't the best for my skin tone. I do like when lip kits have a darker liner, so I think they should have had a darker liner in there, not one that kind of matches everything, because this liner pretty much is the same as the other products. Oops. That's not her. I'll show you guys real quick. This is the liner here, which you could barely see, but it's right here. It's the lipstick right here. Literally the same color, so I think it needed to be a little bit deeper. And then this is the lip gloss here. So that is it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend. I definitely recommend this set for a holiday present. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. What you waiting for?